Hello everyone, I welcome you all to the Infinity Vision platform. Right now I'll be doing one such question that came in your JMIN examination. This question came on 27th August 2021 in shift 1. So let us see this question first. Question says, an ideal gas is expanding such that P T raised to power 3 is constant. So the coefficient of volume expansion of the gas is given by which relation? So you need to find out the coefficient of volume expansion. We also know that a relationship has been given to you. P raised to power 3 is constant. Let it be a C. C is a constant. Okay. We also know the relationship coefficient of volume expansion is also given by a relationship if final volume is V final of a gas and let V initial is the initial volume. So it is given by relationship V final must be equal to V initial 1 plus gamma delta T, where delta T is a change in the delta T is a change in the temperature and gamma is coefficient of volume expansion, whose value you need to find out. Okay, if it goes just like this, so it would be equivalent to V initial plus V initial gamma delta T. So this is nothing but V final minus V initial is delta T, delta V, which is change in volume, must be equal to V initial volume. So let V initial volume be V. Okay, so gamma delta T. So the gamma must be equal to delta V by V delta T. So this expression that you need to find out. Okay, now the equation for the gas has been given to you. So you have to eliminate here the pressure term from this expression. So we also know that the ideal gas equation is given by PV is equal to nRT and P would be equivalent to nRT by V. So putting the value of pressure in this expression, you will be getting nRT by V into T cube is equal to C, constant. So that means T4 must be equal to another constant because number of moles and this gas constant is also constant, number of moles of the gas is also constant. So this term divided by C divided by nR is also a constant. So let be another constant, let it be small a. Okay, so it would be equivalent to T4 into V. So this is the expression that you are getting. Okay, now we will be further solving it. So we have been given T4 must be equal to a constant into V. Okay, so this is the expression that we are getting. Now we also know that if temperature is changing, volume is also changing, so this can also be given by relationship. It would be equivalent to 4 times of delta T, which is by T, must be equal to A times, okay, delta V by V. Okay, not 8 times, so because this expression it is a constant, so you need not write this again and again, so you will be easily written as delta B by V. So this is the final expression that you should get, because we also know that if A must be equal to B plus C, so the change in A per unit A original must be equal to delta B by B plus delta C by C. Okay, and if it is B square and C cube, so you'll be getting twice of B delta B by B, and here it would be equal to thrice of delta C by C. So these expressions we already know, so you can use this relationship to find out this expression. Okay, now rest everything is quite simpler because you need to find out the value of delta V by V into delta T. So delta V by V into delta T, so 4 by T must be equal to delta V by V into delta T, which is nothing but gamma, coefficient of volume expansion. The final answer would be 4 by T. Okay, so the fourth option would be the correct option that you should get. I hope this question is clear to everyone. Thank you.